East Entrepreneurship, Machinery, Innovation and Exhibition event Neemie 2023 commenced yesterday. Addressing the event, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said Meghalaya stands proudly as a top-ranked state in terms of startup and entrepreneurship ecosystem among small states, a remarkable achievement attributable to the collective efforts of all entrepreneurs. Neemie 2023 promises to be an assemblage of innovation, machinery marvels and entrepreneurial spirit spanning over 35 machinery stalls. Over the course of the event, attendees will have the opportunity to explore a diverse range of industries and technology.
Machinery and Innovation Exhibition, which we are calling Neemie, is part of exercise of the government of Meghalaya to really promote the entrepreneurship culture and the entrepreneurship ecosystem in our state. And through this program, we are actually connecting different machinery manufacturers and different innovators to the local entrepreneurs and farmers so that they are able to have access to the different technologies that are available today in the market.
Now let's have a